The vulnerability
Yes, I
comes
think I
from
read your
many,
mandate
yeah.
just now.
So kaya po, it may not be the poorest of the poor, but they fall under the vulnerable, and vulnerability is caused by different factors. Implementation
I think
provision.
vulnerability would certainly include senior citizens
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
PWD who are incapable of regular employment.
Yes, ma'am. They are not excluded. They can
No,
benefit
they are
from it.
excluded
No, ma'am. No.
because you require minimum wage.
Ma'am, as I've said, we are guided by the President's veto message.
Sabi lang ng USEC, ang USEC ng DOLE, kasasabi lang minimum wage.
The guidelines
Paano
po,
sila gagawa ng listahan ng minimum wage? Wala silang listahan ng minimum wage, mas lalong wala silang listahan ng informal, contractual, and less than minimum wage.
Yeah.
Saan natin hahanapin yung mahihirap na yan?
we do it po directly.
Depende sa congressman, sa barangay kapitan, sa senador,